How to achieve in 1 week what most people have been struggling to achieve in 1 month. Hi there and welcome to this video in which I will be sharing with you how to achieve in 1 week what most people have been struggling to achieve in 1 month. If you're feeling overwhelmed and like you're not making progress fast enough, this video is for you. I am going to be sharing some practical tips that you can start implementing right away to help you accomplish more in a shorter period. As an example, let's talk about self-development. Achieving self-development might mean learning a new skill, improving a personal habit, or simply becoming more self-aware. Whatever it is that you're striving for, these tips will help you get there faster. So, let's get started. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. This is known as SMART goal setting, and it's a proven method for helping you focus your efforts and make progress. For example, a SMART goal for self-development might be to read one self-improvement book per week for the next month or losing 5 kilograms per week for the next month. By setting clear and actionable goals, you'll know exactly what you need to do and when you need to do it. Create a schedule and stick to it. This means setting aside dedicated blocks of time for tasks and activities and avoiding distractions and multitasking as much as possible. For self-development, this might mean setting aside an hour each day for learning or reflection. By focusing on one thing at a time, you'll be able to work more efficiently and get more done in less time. Make a to-do list and prioritize your tasks. This will help you stay organized and focused and ensure that you're tackling the most important tasks first. Take breaks and practice self-care. It might seem counterintuitive, but taking breaks and taking care of yourself can actually help you be more productive. When you're well rested and feeling good, you'll be able to work more effectively and make better decisions. Seek support and accountability. Whether it's from a mentor, a friend, or a professional coach, having someone to support and motivate you can make all the difference. They can help you stay on track and hold you accountable to your goals. Follow these tips and remember progress takes time, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can accomplish a lot in a short period of time. If you want to go all in so I can show you the step-by-step process, then I am going to leave a link in the description below this video for more details. Thanks for watching.